Welcome to Zero Day Swag. I'm your narrator and your plastic accountability buddy. Call me Toy Soldier Sarcastic Specialist. Around here, we break down every guard MOS like it's a tactical loadout, minus the sugar coating, no fluff, no recruiters in polos, just the truth. Let's see what this one's made of. Time to wrench on one of the Army's favorite aircraft. Let's go. This is 15 Tango, UH-60 helicopter repairer. You keep Blackhawks flying, and if you mess up, people fall. So, no pressure. You'll handle subsystems, engines, rotors, transmissions, gearboxes, lube it, fix it, test it, repeat. You'll troubleshoot and do field-level maintenance so that no one finds out midair that something was probably fine. Training, basic, then 15 weeks of AIT. You'll cover hydraulics, structure repair, fuel systems, and how not to lose your wrench inside a turbine. This job's for the mechanically sharp and aviation tough. If you've got steady hands, good instincts, and respect for rotor blades, this is your bird. Civilian side, aircraft techs are in demand. FAA ready? You bet. From commercial fleets to VIP airlift, you've got options. Got questions? Ask your recruiter. Don't be weird about it, you're fine. That's one MOS explainer vid down. Many more to go. You're either in the squad or your background noise. Check the rest of the playlist. Pick your chaos. 0 Day Swag's got an MOS explainer for it. Oh yeah, like and hit subscribe. Or don't, I'm just a toy. If you're still here, enjoy. Yeah, this track slaps, you're welcome.